Good afternoon. I was been interrupted. Buyer from Dubai calling and calling and calling. I was being interrupted. So anyway, I will explain again that the price of gold has changed. The price of gold today is 79,420. I'm going to look at the world market because the price of gold changes every half an hour. Now the price goes up. 2 months ago, the price of gold was 75, then 76, now 77, and then today, July 17, 79,450 per kilo. So, if you are a small timer looking for cheap price, I doubt you will get it. Because we don't sell cheap price. Our selling price less 8% based on the world market. I know that when you get the gold, you can sell it to 2%. I know that. So we are very flexible because you are buying direct to us, that the company produce gold, but gold is not cheap price. We are not giving away money. Gold is a solid cash versus your paper money. Now let's talk about business properly. Africa is the main source of supply. 98% gold coming from Africa. The world is crying for this precious mineral. Africa is a huge deposit of precious mineral. So I don't want to enumerate. You are a businessman, you should know that. Now, most of the buyer registered their business in Dubai because Dubai has changed. I just finished talking to this buyer. Now, Dubai now is charging 9% income tax. That is normal. Everybody has to pay income tax. Here in Australia, we pay income tax every year. In Africa, the owner of the gold, he has to pay income tax. He has to declare that to his government that he made sell. That is income. So, you as the buyer, thinking that you can get gold no upfront, you would not get no upfront. You have to pay for it. Because gold has a value. Gold has the value, the added tax. That is an income of the country. That is the reason why you guys have a difficulty getting this precious mineral. Because you underestimate Africa. You watch this Burkina Faso new president. He would not sell his gold cheap price. Look at Mali and Niger. He kick all the foreigner. Why? Because foreigner is crook. Especially if you're asking cost insurance and freight, CIF. To me, you don't have cash flow. You are going to leverage. You are going to launder it. Today, you cannot. I just finished talking to this buyer in Dubai. Dubai now charged 9% income tax. Before, there was no income tax. Free. Now, Dubai now is getting strict. So, I warn everyone, don't smuggle this precious mineral because you are going to end into disaster. No one will tell you this, but this woman is telling you. Because I know, I've been in marketing for 36 years, buying and selling exactly the same. You have to pay for it. I used to be in real estate. I'm already retired from real estate. And the seller from Africa hired me because the seller has been deceived by a foreigner. I'm a foreigner, but I don't deceive you guys. I am telling the truth. You have to follow the golden rules of the country. Whether you like it or not, then you would not get this precious mineral. Then your business would not function if there is no supply. There's a saying, supply and demand determine the price. You must remember that. Put that into your back of your head, that there is no free in this world. Wilhelmina is giving you free information worth $1 million. No one is giving you this kind of information. The seller hired Wilhelmina to handle marketing. The seller hired Wilhelmina to screen you guys. And I have the power to say yes or no. And I have the power to reject you. Yes. And I have the power to renegotiate the price on your behalf. Our selling price less 8%, you must remember. Whatever the world market price less 8%. Now, going back to this buyer that he wanted to get the gold in Conakry. Because I told the buyer that I will place you in Conakry because Conakry Emirates flight 3 times a week. Now, in Conakry's rules and regulation, we need to have a contract, minimum order 10 kilos or more. Now, 10 kilos is already $600,000. 50 kilos is more than $1 million. So you make sure that you have money standby in your bank account. Don't hide your thing. Do not hide, because you are going to be rejected if you don't show your proof of fund, your bank statement that you have $500,000 and you have $1 million. Just for us to know, just for us to identify you, whether you are a real seller or not. Because there's so many crook buyer. You never know your money is coming from illegal activities. You never know your money is dirty. You never know. That's why we need to screen it. Now, this buyer from Dubai, he's going to send me a copy of money laundering certificate. Dubai has changed according to him. I just finished talking to this buyer. Now, Mr. Buyer, if you're watching, buying in Africa, exactly the same, you have to pay for it. There is no upfront. There's none. You need to reserve, send a letter of interest called LOI. That LOI will signify that you are a buyer. Now, this one, I received the commercial license of the buyer from Dubai. It signified that he is the buyer, but it's not convincing enough. I told the buyer that I finished having a conversation. A piece of paper is not convincing enough. I need a copy of your passport copy to see it. And I need a copy of money laundering certificate. Now, Dubai, any business people, they are going to require to apply for money laundering certificate if you are in gold business. How do I know? I just finished talking to this buyer. And he said that his company has a license because Dubai now is getting strict. That's good. To those buyers that applying business in Dubai, you must remember, you are now required to apply a money laundering certificate. See, I was given a copy. See. Now, when you buy gold in Africa, you will also receive mining license, export license, company profile of the seller. And will give you the mining background of the seller and company profile. That is how we do business. We don't deal with joker broker. We don't deal ghost buyer. Because if you come to Wilhelmina and if you are in Dubai or America or in Europe, you open your camera because I'm going to interview you. Yes, our conversation automatically recorded. For you to read, for you to listen, you will be given a copy so that you will understand that gold business and diamond business is not for free. It's not. Why I do this? Because Africa has been tarnished by foreigner. Why this foreign company was being kicked out in Burkina Faso? Because they are not following the country. They are embezzled their natural resources. That's the reason why the seller hired Wilhelmina. I am going to screen you and I'm going to help you, and I am your business facilitator. My role has two. I can be your business facilitator and I am the extension of the seller. I have the power to reject you if you don't meet the criteria. So, Mr. Buyer, if you found this video on YouTube and or on Facebook, pay attention, read it. Listen to this video from the beginning to the end. Subscribe and click below. You will see the full corporate offer. Do not come to Wilhelmina unless you understand, because when you come for conference, my question is, how did you get my number? You're gonna say, oh, I found you on your YouTube channel. Which video? Because I have several video. I put the date. Now today we are July 17. So that's the reason why I always update the price. Now today the price is $79,450. But don't bank on it because the price ups and down. Now our selling price less 8%. Now, because you are dealing with Wilhelmina, I am going to assist you, but I do charge my services. I'm different from Joker Broker. I'm different. I do charge $20,000 in order to accompany you, to assist you from the beginning to the end. 2019, I charged $10,000. 2022 and 23, I do charge $15,000 to accompany the buyer in order to assist the buyer to feel comfortable. 2024, I do charge $20,000 for my services to travel with the buyer. Now, on 2025, I will charge any one of you $25,000. Now, this information is already worth $1 million. It's free, but it's up for you to comprehend. Because once you come to Wilhelmina, yes, I will accompany you. I will take you. If you want to buy gold in Mali, in Conakry, or Sierra Leone, yes, I need to be with you because sellers are very hard to deal with. I'm telling you, it doesn't matter if he is my seller. The seller would not explain to you like what I had explained. So therefore, Mr. Buyer, do not be crook. Listen to this video, click below and subscribe. Click on the button, subscribe, read the full corporate offer before you make a decision whether you meet the criteria or not. You're going to say, well, Amina, how much is the price? You are not paying attention. The price today, $79,450. But don't bank on it because the price ups and down. Now, there is a prediction the price of gold turn to $80,000 next week. Before end of the year, could be $100,000. I don't know if you can afford it. So bank now, Mr. Buyer. Bank now. I just finished having a conference, a buyer from Dubai. And he said, no, I want to buy gold. No upfront. And I told this buyer, there is no upfront. You have to pay for it, whether you like it or not. Gold will not come to Dubai without export documentation. Can you imagine that Dubai now, they charge 9% income tax. The country in Africa, they also charge income tax to the seller. That is why there is a valued added tax. That is an income of the country. Everybody has to pay. So where are you going to get the precious mineral that no upfront fee? To me, you are a smuggler. To me, you're a crook if you are asking me no upfront fee. The payment must be bank to bank because of money laundering. So, Mr. Buyer, if you're watching this video, you are the luckiest businessman because you would not find this video. You would not find this information to any Joker Broker. Most of the Joker Broker, they come to Wilhelmina. They're scared of me. You don't need to be scared with this woman. You don't. If you're a buyer, you don't need to be scared. You spend money to make money. Because my $20,000 is only for my expenses, once only. You are going to be charged and you have to send my $20,000 because that is my expenses to assist you. That is it, once only. In return, I'm giving you more than 8%. This buyer, I'm giving the buyer 13%. But I told the buyer from Dubai, send me a copy of your passport because I need you to convince me only one page. Yeah, he has a license. He owned this shop in Gold Soap. And he has an office in DMCC. I've been to Dubai, I know DMCC. So you're dealing with a woman that's not really very easy to deal with. It could be very easy if you pay the gold. There's no advance. It could be easy if you pay, your payment must be bank to bank because of money laundering. Now, this buyer told me a few hours ago that he has a license, that he was given a money laundering certificate. So therefore, he is a very good businessman. But he's very tough. He's Indian. He's very tough. Indians are a gold lover. There's also good and bad Indian. Go on Gold Souk. All the shop owned by Indian. Because they're very bargainer. They're very thrifty. I walk into their shop. They would not give bargain price. Whatever the price, they add 5%. When you buy jewelry in Gold Souk, plus 5%. Valued added tax. Buying gold in Africa, exactly the same. You have to pay the valued added tax. There's no difference. Here in Australia, our government sales tax is 10%. We don't have any complaint. And you, as the crook buyer, you're gonna say no upfront fee to me. You're a fool. You're a crook. Yes. Excuse my language if I say this. Now, Mr. Buyer, listen to this video again. Read the full corporate offer. That is the time you come for conference with Wilhelmina. Don't ask, Wilhelmina, what is the price? Wilhelmina, what is the carats and the purity? It's already here. Click below. The carats and the purity and the price, less 8% tax included. But if you convince Wilhelmina, I can give you 13%. Why I give you 13%? Because I'm charging you $20,000. In return, I'm giving you back the 5% extra. So at the end of the day, when you resell that to your end customer, 2%, your profit is 11%. Now you're gonna say, Wilhelmina, what is the price? On 13% is $63,000 per kilo today. What happened for next week? Could be $65,000 per kilo on 22 carats. We are not selling 24 carat because that is already refined. The 22 carats, you can refine it into different uses. There are two kinds of gold, low grade and high grade. 13 carats can make into full state. 14 carats can make into spare parts. There is gold. So you're buying high grade, which is 22 plus, equivalent to 23. You're buying high grade, the purity is 96, 97. You're buying low grade, the purity is 75% or 80%. So can you see the difference? Did the seller explain to you like this? Nah. You do the research. Then you will understand. I am educating at the same time. I'm very patient. My seller says to me, well, Amina, don't waste the time to do joker buyer. And I told the buyer and the seller, I need to educate the buyer. Because this buyer, they only think about the profit. You are not thinking about the long term. Don't think about the short term. Now, 10 kilos is $600,000. 20 kilos is more than $1 million. You have to prove, you have to convince us in order to get the supply. Now, this buyer that I told the buyer that I'm going to put you in Conakry, Guinea. Your 10 kilos or 20 kilos or 100 kilos has to be reserved. You come to the office, you bring your gold analyzer, you check. That's a time the gold will be assay at that particular country. You will receive the assay report. Right? You will receive the certificate of clearance, the ownership, the custom clearance. Now, in Conakry, the gold will be brought to Central Bank. Everybody, every seller has to deposit the gold to Central Bank. Because when you transfer the payment, the Central Bank will say, excuse me, where is the receipt of payment? The cash inflow, it would reflect into the system that you have paid the gold to the seller. Then the seller will apply. The seller will notify the Central Bank that he is going to export to you, Mr. Buyer. So when your payment reflect into cash inflow, the receipt of your payment, then that is the time the seller will process the export documentation coming from the central bank. How many days you are going to stay? Maximum of 8 days, because your payment will be cleared 3 working days. Once your payment would be cleared, that is the time the export documentation would process. Then the armor car from the central bank to the airport in Conakry, then ship it to Dubai. Now you are going to use Emirates Air Cargo. So you, as the buyer from Dubai, you need to ask the Emirates Air Cargo how much they charge the shipping cost and insurance. Our job, here's the gold, you pay FOB, bank to bank. I hope you understand my explanation. Now this buyer from Dubai, I asked him, how did you get my number? He was impressed with me, but still he's dumb. He asked a lot of questions, and I told him, you already saw my video. All the question and answer is already on the video. Even on this video, I keep on repeating and repeating. Please don't come to Wilhelmina if you don't comprehend. You're a businessman, you should know that. My seller didn't teach me. When my seller hired me, my seller didn't teach me. I have to compile. I have to educate both buyers and seller, because Africa has been losing. Look at this Abraham Traoré in Burkina Faso. He kicked all the foreigners because the foreigners are cheating the country. The foreigner doesn't remit the taxes. The foreigner, they wanted the gold cheap, and then when they bring the gold to their country, they become multi-millionaire. What happened to this Niger and Mali? They kick all the big company. Now you're a small gold trader, follow the golden rules of buying. In Dubai, you cannot even bargain it. I purchased jewelry for me and my husband. There is no bargain. I have to pay value-added tax of 5%. They give me the receipt, and then I show it to the airport in custom. Then they refund me of my value-added tax 5%. That is normal. Buying gold, exactly the same. You have to pay. There is no upfront. You have to pay for it whether you like it or not. If you cannot afford to pay the gold, meaning to say you are a crook. Gold is money versus your paper money. Does that make sense now, Mr. Buyer? I just finished having a conference today. 6 of them. I told them go back and read again because I don't have time to teach. That's why I put everything on the full corporate offer. Very concise. Impossible you don't understand. If you went to school, I'm sure you will understand. I went to school. I listened to my professor. My seller would not give you this kind of information. This video is worth $1 million to watch. My extra service is just peanuts. $20,000 is nothing to you, Mr. Buyer. When I've given you 13% instead of 8%, at the end of the day, you become rich. You will get more profit. I make you money. My seller was saying, Wilhelmina, why are you giving too much money? And I said to my seller, let the buyer come in and we will review after second shipment. Right. This price is for today. When the second shipment, we will review it. We will still give you a discount, but we will review it because the price of gold is getting higher and higher. Now, while you can afford to buy, order now. The price of gold is $72,000 minus discount of 13%, which I give this buyer $63,000 per kilo instead of $72,000. On 8% selling price, $79,000. Can you see the difference on 8%? Can you see the difference? So now, Mr. Buyer, I think I already explained to you thoroughly. Don't be confused. Take time to read. Take time to listen to this video. When you're ready, convince Wilhelmina. Then we can discuss a very good price negotiation because I'm gonna be with you on the ground. But my services is not for free. Thank you very much. Have a pleasant good afternoon. Now we are now 5 o'clock in the afternoon. I open my office from 9 o'clock to 1:30 in the morning because we have a time difference. Now, Mr. Buyer, I hope you understand. Make sure you can prove to us. Make sure that you have $500,000 in your bank account. Don't ask LC, letter of credit. Don't ask bank instrument, meaning to say you're a poor guy. This gold business is not for the poor guy. This gold business is for the rich buyer, the big spender. He can afford to pay. Not for the poor people asking LC 1 kilo. No, we don't sell 1 kilo. Minimum, at least 10 kilos to start. At least. Okay? Thank you very much. Have a pleasant good afternoon. And I shall see you after you listen to this video.